JCrews television. Oh yeah.
You're recording.
I'm recording?
You're recording.
Oh, now I'm camera shy. I'm camera shy, man.
What are we doing today, Josh?
I'm camera shy. I'm just gonna act like you're not. I'm just gonna pretend like everybody in the room is naked. Actually, no, I don't want to pretend like everybody in the room is naked. That's disturbing, actually. Because you know who's holding the camera? Robert. And I don't want to pretend like he's naked. It's kind of disturbing. Alright, so.
This is very disturbing.
Shenanigans are over. So, inside of this box is a new GoPro. The GoPro 9. This thing shoots in 5K. Supposedly. Not like any TV can play at 5K. So, I probably horribly overpaid for it. But it's okay, because I got a Cyber Monday deal. So, I'm going to open this thing up. It's already open on the bottom, so I'm just... Scissors are for pansies. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out. Oh, you can probably better see. Let me take off this here plastic. Let's take this thing off here. I hope you get my good side here. Well, let's just see what we got. Oh, it comes in a fancy little case here. Oh, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's like Christmas. Christmas gift I got for myself. There we go. This is so exciting. Alright. It's a nice little case. Comes with a nice little camera case here. Check this out, check this out. Listen to that unzip. Yeah, I got a bundle deal. So, let's get down with what's in this bundle here. So, check this out. This is a really nice case. I don't know, I'm just sitting here all relaxed and stuff like that. So I guess this is the little thing where I can hand hold it. But here's the beautiful thing in here. Let's get this thing out of here. You can come in close if you want to. I don't bite. I might bite you. Might Mike Tyson your ass, man. Bite your ear off. The GoPro 9. Check it out. So, I've never done an unboxing before. So, I don't know exactly what to say while I'm unboxing this. But there's the GoPro. Let's see. This looks like some kind of... This is like a big old... Oh, shoot. This is like what you use to like close up some chips right here. They sent me a very expensive chip closer. I'm pretty sure it's for something else. I just don't know what yet. Let's see what else is inside this box here. Oh, they sent me 2 batteries. I got 2 batteries. I'm like 2 chains up in here. So, 2 batteries. We got the charger cable. A thingamajig. Another thingamajig. And another thingamajig. And another thingamajig. This is probably if you want to like mount it somewhere or something. It has 3M tape on the bottom. And these thingamajigs probably go inside this thingamajig.
So it's a match made in thingamajig heaven?
I guess so. But let's get to the fun stuff, because I don't know what the hell all this stuff is. Except for this big old thing for my chips. I actually don't have any chip clips, so this is perfect. Alright, so let's...
You can thank GoPro later for your chip clip.
Yes, thank you GoPro for my chip clip. For my chip clip. Say that 10 times fast. Chip clip, chip clip, chip clip, clip, blah, blah. Okay. So let's... Oh, GoPro, if y'all want to like send me some free stuff, by the way, y'all should totally send me some free stuff. Because I'm just a poor man trying to make a living. And y'all have millions of dollars. So y'all should share some of those At least give me $1 at least. Like send me $1 or something, man. Like just send me $1 or something. Let's see. So that's the battery. I'm just gonna turn this thing on here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Well, let's just see what we got here. I'm doing the man thing. I'm not looking at the instructions. I'm just gonna figure this out right now. If you were a battery, where would you go to? Let's just try to turn it on. Maybe there's already a battery in here. Okay, nope. Hold on. Don't judge me. We'll pause for editing. Make it look like I opened this in no time.
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna look at the instructions. Oh, I also got a 32 gigabyte SD card with it.
This is a very long JCrews television video.
It's a very long JCrews television video. I'm trying to shorten this up. I got my SD card. I gotta look at the instructions.
You probably lost most of your subscribers like an hour ago.
Bear with me here, peoples. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, that's what I thought. So this is the instructions here. Oh, I figured out what the thingamajig is. You can put it on the top of your bike helmet.
So it's not a chip clip.
No, this one here is for putting on top of your bike helmet. That's why it has a 3M tape.
Ah.
Yeah.
What about your chip clip?
Because it puts on top of it if you have a bike helmet. Or you can stick it on top of your damn head if you bald. I'm not bald enough for it. Okay, so yeah, all these thingamajigs are so that way you can mount it on top of here. And you can put it on top of your bike helmet if you have like a helmet or something like that. I don't think I'm gonna use that, but maybe. I have a bike. I've ridden in it forever. I just run all the time. I might start biking again. I'm getting bored. I'm running out of stuff to do. That's why I'm doing this crazy unboxing video. Freaking Corona. But it's okay. Alright. Hold on. We're going to pause for editing here. Let me see. They won't actually pause it though. I'm just saying pause for editing. Because I can cut this part out and make it look like I opened this without an issue. Y'all going to watch me struggle online.
What happened to I don't have time for editing?
I really don't have time for editing. Because it says to open it.
For those of you joining us, yes, he was still working on this an hour ago.
Hold on. I got this. Because it says to open it. Like, how does it say to open this? It says. Aha! There we go. Alright. So what you gotta do? You see this here? You got it? You see this here? You gotta pull it up like that. And then open it. Boom. And then, you see this battery here? I guess it has like a little thing you gotta pull out of it. Do you gotta pull this out? Maybe. Maybe not. I guess let's just shove it in here and see what happens.
How many children were born?
Alright, cool. We got it open. The SD card goes in here as well. So let's just throw the SD card in while we got it open because it took me about 2 hours to get that open. How long has this thing been recording for?
We are at 9 minutes.
9 minutes. Oh, crap. Let me hurry this up.
You've lost most of your subscribers.
Everybody's unsubscribed.
They're 1 minute people. Come on.
Well, you know, sometimes in life you just gotta be patient. How the hell you open this witchcraft? You know what? We're not gonna worry about plugging this in right now. I'm just gonna close this thing up and see if it turns on. I might have to charge it before, so I might have to do a secondary thing, but battery's in there, as y'all can see. Battery's in there. Boom. Power button. It may or may not have a charge. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I'm recording. Look at this. Haha.
Yep.
You can go through all your little standard setup here. Hey, come on behind. Well, you know, I'll go ahead and stand up. I'm over here being lazy. Let me go ahead and stand on up. Anybody looking for me at work right now? Nope. Okay, cool.
Yes, people, this is not his real job.
I have a full-time job. This is why I need GoPro to pay me some money. All right, let's go through the setup together now. Can you see all that?
Now we can. Yep.
All right, now we'll get over to the exciting stuff. All right, cool. So let's go English.
You want to go French?
I don't know how to speak Espanol.
I said French, not Spanish.
I don't know how to speak French Espanol.
It's French.
Let's see what we got here. Let's see, by using this GoPro. You know, do I have any choice but to agree to this? There could be something in there about them having, like, to enslave my children or something like that. I just have to agree to it, don't I? To use it? So, whatever. Agree.
Work's looking for you now.
Turn on to tag your photos. I do not want y'all to I do not want to tag my photo location. That is some privacy stuff. I can go on a whole little tirade about that, but I'm not going to, because that's not the purpose of this video. People trying to violate my privacy.
We'll save it for later.
I'll save that for later, even though the government already stalks me and Russia's probably mad at me now, but whatever. Let's see, install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. I gotta install a GoPro app on my phone now. Where's my phone at? Oh, you have my phone.
Your phone is being recorded right now.
Well, I can't finish setup while I'm on this thing then.
You cannot.
What the crap?
Unboxing video has been stopped.
I need the GoPro app to make... Really? Really?
Unboxing video has been stopped.
Okay, I can skip it. Okay, cool. I can skip this part so that way I can get into the other stuff here. I think I can come back and do this later. So let's
You think?
skip it. All right, what's today's date? It's
The 2nd
cool.
of the 2020.
2020 is almost over, y'all. Maybe I'll have something else to do next year. What the heck time is it? 1:07. Is this thing military time? Okay, good. It's not. All right, cool. I don't know military time. I know it's like 12 minus something plus something.
This is 24-hour clock.
All right, cool. There we go. There is the unboxing. Yes, I still have up Christmas ghosts. I mean, Halloween ghosts. They're now Christmas ghosts. They're the ghosts of Christmas past. And yes, I still have spider webs up over there. I don't know if y'all can see them or not.
Now they can.
Yes. I know my house is a mess. Don't judge me. I work from home, and you would think I had more time to clean up. All right, so let's see what else does this thing do. All right, let's just zooms in. Let's see. Piece of crap. What are you doing? Zoom. Nope. There we go. Check that out. Zooms in and out. We'll be able to shoot some nice high quality stuff with this camera here. I plan on taking this thing on the road and stuff. You still got the screen? Oh, you still do got it up. Wow, cool. That's some good quality. All right, cool. Let's see. What does this do? Oh, this goes wide. Oh, this goes in a tighter shot. Okay. Oh, nice. All right, cool. That goes like...
It's like magic.
Yeah, I like that. All right. What's this button do? Speed ramp toggles and real speed, or I don't know what that does. I'll figure that out later. Half speed? Okay, whatever. Time warp. All right. I don't know what that stuff does either. Some of the stuff I'm gonna have to play with the settings. But yeah, that's pretty much any other buttons I can click.
Our longest JCrews video.
This is the longest video ever. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, I guess that's the unboxing for the day.
Say goodbye, Josh.
I'm gonna record you.
Record me, recording you.
Yes, I'm gonna record you, recording me. This is JCrews Television. We out. This has been the unboxing of the GoPro 9. Check it out.